Pinky. Before we get into today's class, can you give me a quick recap of what we saw in the last class?
Yes, Sam. Last class, Miss taught us about how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. Sam, do you remember the base value for hexadecimal?
Yes, it's 16.
Good, Sam. And what about decimal?
I believe it's 10.
Good, you remember that. Then secondly, we learnt about how to convert hexadecimal to binary. Then third, binary representation for signed numbers. Under that, we learned about signed magnitude representation, 1's complement and 2's complement. Now you got it, Sam?
Yes.
Sam, hope you did not forget to complete your Kahoot.
Oh, I really enjoyed doing it.
Good morning, students. Hope you're doing good by God's grace. Children, I want your life to be like the rays of the sun, which gives bright colors to the clouds. Are you ready for today's class? Before getting into today's class, let's all check out this activity.
Table. Focus on the number 19 in the center of the square. Your goal is to find the number 1 and then all the remaining numbers in ascending order, fixing your gaze on each in turn. Let's give it a try. I'll give you 30 seconds for a start. How you doing there? Did you manage to find the remaining numbers? Keep going on. Only 10 seconds left. Well done.
Children, in today's class, we'll be learning about binary arithmetic. In that, first we'll be learning about binary addition. Second, we'll be learning about binary subtraction. And third, we'll be learning about repressing characters in memory. This binary addition and subtraction are similar to decimal addition and subtraction. First, binary addition. In binary, there is some rules for doing addition. Let's look into that. Okay. We have some cases. Based upon the cases, we will get the result and a carry. For binary addition, you have a sum, you have a carry. Okay. If I'm going to add 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, then the sum will be 0 and the carry will be 0. Second case, if I am going to add 0 plus 1, then my sum will be 1 and my carry will be 0. Third case, if I am going to add 1 plus 0, then my sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. The fourth case will be, if I'm going to add 1 plus 1, then my sum will be 0 and my carry will be 1. Okay. Students, these 4 rules for addition is very important. So please do remember these 4 rules while doing your binary additions. Now let's look into the examples. Okay. I'm going to add 1011 plus 1001. Okay. This number is a decimal number because the base value is given as 2 in this number. So before going into adding, I would like you to add these rules in your workspace so that it will be easy for you to refer the rules and then work out the sums. Okay, let's start to work out the sum. So 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 plus 1. So the value given as 0 and 1. So my sum will be 0 and my carry will be 1. So I am going to carry this 1 now. So I am going to add now the second set of number 1 and 0. Okay, this 1 and 0. So 1 and 0, the number is given as, the sum is given as 1 over here. Okay, so my answer is 1 for 1 plus 0. I even have a carry 1 over there. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So with this 1, I am going to add that carry 1 over there. So 1 plus 1 is again 0. I will add a carry on top. Okay. So now the third set of number is 0 and 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay. With this 0, I am going to add with the carry. So 0 plus 1 is nothing but again 1. Here it is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1. So I'll straight away write here 0 and then 1 over here. The carry I'm writing it here sir, because I don't have another digit to carry that on top of that. So this is my answer for 1011 base 2 plus 1001 base 2. So I'll be adding a base 2 for this number. So this is binary addition. It is easy when we add two binary numbers. Here is another example, but here we have a decimal numbers. Can you see this decimal number? How do you know this is a decimal number? Because the base value is 10. Okay. How will I convert this? How will I add this? Okay. We know that if a decimal value is given, then to convert it into binary, we will do the division method. We already learned this in a previous classes. So first what should I do? I should convert this 23 and 12 into binary form. Let's do that. So 23, I'm going to divide it. I'm going to convert it into binary form. So I will divide it by 2. So this will be 1, then minus 1. Then 2 will go here 5 times, then remainder 1. 2 will go here 2 times, remainder 1. 2 will go here once, remainder 0. So if you see the number of bits over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my bits should be 8 bits or 4 bits for doing the addition. But here I have only 5 bits. So I have to convert it into 8 bits of number for me to add. So I will add 3 zeros before this number so that it becomes 8 bits of number. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 is the exact number. I am adding 3 zeros before this. Okay. So it becomes 8 bits of number for me to do addition. So I'll write the base value as 2. Then the second one is 12. I will divide it by 2 since I'm going to convert it into binary. So 2 6 are 12. My remainder will be 0. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. So for this value 1 1 0 0, I have only 4 bits of number. So I have to get 8 bits to do my addition. So I'll add 4 zeros over here. Okay. So this is, I have converted the decimal number to binary form. First step. Second step, I will do the addition. My second step will be binary addition. First, I converted the decimal to binary. Now I have to do the binary addition. Okay. So before doing the addition, I have to write out my rules in the corner so that it will be easy for me to do my addition. So for 23, the value will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. For 12, the value will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. I am going to add now. So as per the rule, 0 and 1 is 1. Again 0 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 0, and I will do my carry here. Then the 0 and 1 will be 1. Okay, the answer is 1, and 1 plus the carry 1 will be 0 and carry 1. So here this 1 and this 0 will be 1 and 0 is 1. 1 plus this carry 1 will be 0 carry 1 over here. 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0, and this carry 1 will be 1, and the 0, 0 will be 0, 0, 0 will be 0. So this is my answer for this binary addition. So as per the decimal value, it is 35. So the binary value will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is my answer. I hope you understood the binary addition now. If you have any doubt, you can just check with me in the Zoom class. So our addition is over. Now we will move on to binary subtraction. Okay. Even for binary subtraction, we have certain rules to be followed. It is a default rule that you should follow. Okay. Here it is A minus B, and we have, instead of sum we have difference, and instead of carry we have the borrow value here. So case 1, first one, if I am going to subtract 0 minus 0, then my difference will be 0, borrow 0. Then for the second case, if I am going to subtract 0 minus 1, then my difference value will be 1, my borrow value will be 1. The third case will be 1 minus 0. So in this case, my difference will be 1, my borrow will be 0. The last case is if I am going to subtract 1 minus 1, then my difference will be 0 and borrow will be 0. This is the base rule. Based upon this only we will be doing the binary subtractions. Okay, let's look into the example. Okay. So I am going to subtract these two numbers. Can you see? It is a binary number. Straight away the binary number is given. We are not going to do any conversion over here. Straight away we are going to do the thing. Before that, we will write down our subtraction rules by the side. Okay, then we will do the sums. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 is the first number. Then second number will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So I am going to subtract this straight away. So I am going to just cross check with my rule here. So 0 and 0 will be 0. So I am going to write 0 over here. Here 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is 1. So I am going to write 1 here. For the third set, it is 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, the difference will be 1 and the carry will be, borrow will be 1. Do remember in binary subtraction, the value 1, decimal value 1, 0, 0 means it is 1. Then 1, 0, it is 2. So you have to remember this. Here it is, your third set is 0 and 1. This is an additional rule that you should remember. So here in the third set it is 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1, here we have already said the difference will be 1 and the borrow will be 1. Since here first number is 0, usual decimal number, if any number is the top number is 0, we will borrow from the previous number. So here we have 1. So from 1 I am going to borrow 1 here. So this will become 0. So as I said, if it is 1 0, then the value is 2. You can think about the decimal value here, 2. So this will be 2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 over here. So here 0 minus 0 will be 0. Again here 0 and 1. So I have to borrow from the next number. So next number is 0. I cannot borrow. So from this number I have to borrow. So when I borrow, this becomes 0. So this will become 10. 10 means it is 2, as I said. So if I am going to borrow 1 from 2, so this becomes 1. This will become 1. So 10 minus 1. So this I told you, this will become 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. Here already it is 1, only 1, and then 0 is there. So this is my value, subtraction value. Okay. So based upon this calculation, I did this. Okay. Now if I have a decimal number, how should I work it out? The same way as I told you in the binary addition. First we have to change the decimal numbers into binary form. We know this how to convert. Okay, so I want you to convert it, that is 21. Leave out that minus sign. 21, it's 1. 0 minus 1, it's 5. 0, again 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, but we have to add 3 more zeros in front of this so that we can do the addition. So our value will be 1, 2, 3 zeros, then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, base 2. Now I am going to convert this 5 decimal number into binary. So 2 2s are remainder 1, 2 1s are 0. Here we have only 1 0 1. So I have to add 5 zeros before this. So 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So I have added. So I have converted this decimal number into binary form. That is the first point. Second point, this number, this 21 is a negative. So with this negative number, I cannot add. So I have to convert that into 2's complement. That will be my second step. Okay. So second step will be converting into 2's complement. For 2's complement, I cannot straight away move to 2's complement. I have to convert into 1's complement, then to 2's complement. Okay, so now I am going to write this number 21 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is my binary form. So first I will convert it into 1's complement. So all the zeros will be 1 and 1's will be 0. That is 1's complement. So here this is 1. So 0 will be here, 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. This is my 1's complement number. Then I have to convert this number into my 2's complement. If I add 1 to this number, then it is 2's complement. So 0 and 1 will be 1. The straightaway 1 will be here. Then 0 1 0 1 1 1. So this is my correct value. Okay, so I have converted this into decimal value. Now I am going to do the third step. Third step will be adding the two numbers. Okay, so binary addition. So this 21 and 5 here. So minus 21 we have converted and 5 also we have converted. I want you to keep this rule, remind you of this rule. So for 21 the value will be 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1, and for 5 is 0 0 0 0 0, then 1 0 1. So if I am going to add everything, so my answer will be 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. This is minus 16. So this is the value. This is the value. Okay. So base 2. Okay. You got the answer now. So this is how we have to do when we have a negative sign. When a bigger number has a negative sign, then first we have to convert it to binary form, then 1's complement, then 2's complement, then only we can do the addition. So this is binary subtraction. I want you to go through the entire chapter and see if you are clear with everything. If you have any doubt, please contact us in the Zoom classes. Please turn your textbook pages to 38 and 39. There you will have some sums. Okay, so work out those sums in your class workbook, that is 120 pages unruled. Okay, have a beautiful weekend, enjoy it. Okay, see you in next class. Bye.